English Shorthand Magazine, Volume 4, Dictation, Start. 2. Scuttle the inquiry or investigation, or to win over the witness or the delinquent having had the opportunity in office to impede the progress of the investigation or inquiry, etc. Full stop. It would be another thing if the action is actuated by malafide, arbitrary, or for ulterior purpose. Full stop. The suspension must be a step in aid to the ultimate result of the investigation or inquiry. Full stop. The authority also should keep in mind public interest of the impact of the delinquent's continuance in office while facing departmental inquiry or trial of a criminal charge. Full stop. In the case in hand, the allegation by itself are quite serious, but it does not appear as to whether the respondents themselves have made any kind of inquiry or any investigation or inquiry in the alleged criminal offence of the petitioner. Full stop. The respondents have not even whispered in the entire counter affidavit that they collected any material from the said news channel or otherwise found that the matter requires some investigation or inquiry against the petitioner in respect to any alleged criminal offence. Full stop. Though it is said that they have referred it to CBI, but whether any case has been registered by CBI for making investigation or inquiry into an alleged criminal offence has also not been stated in the counter affidavit. Full stop. The investigation or inquiry into an alleged criminal offence would come only when a FIR or criminal complaint is registered. Full stop. Thus, in our view, the order of suspension has been passed without satisfying the requirement of Rule 10(1) of 1965 rules. Thank you.